In this video you will learn how to clean computer memory RAM in an easiest way. Is your computer acting sluggish or giving you the dreaded blue screen of death? Often, the culprit isn't a broken component, but just a bit of dust or oxidation on your RAM sticks. I'm going to show you how to safely remove and clean your memory modules to get your system running smoothly again. Today, we're going to show you a simple fix. Before we touch anything, safety first. Power down your PC. Flip the switch on the power supply and unplug the cord. To prevent static discharge, touch a metal part of the case or wear an anti-static wrist strap. Once the side panel is off, locate your RAM slots, usually found to the right of the CPU cooler. You'll notice small plastic clips at the ends of the slots. Gently press these tabs downward. You'll hear a click, and the RAM stick will pop up slightly. Handle the sticks only by their edges. Avoid touching the gold contact pins or the black chips on the sides, as oils from your skin can cause issues later. Lay them down on a non-conductive surface, like a wooden desk or an anti-static mat. Now for the actual cleaning. We're focusing on these gold fingers at the bottom. The best tool for this? A simple, clean pencil eraser. Gently rub the eraser across the gold contacts on both sides. This removes thin layers of oxidation that air alone can't reach. After erasing, use a soft microfiber cloth dipped in 90% or higher isopropyl alcohol. Gently wipe the contacts or use brush to remove any eraser shavings or oils. While that dries, use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust trapped inside the motherboard slots themselves. Never use a vacuum cleaner, as it creates static electricity that can fry your board. Once the contacts are dry, which only takes a few seconds, it's time to put them back. Align the notch in the middle of the RAM stick with the ridge in the motherboard slot. It only fits one way. Push down firmly on both ends simultaneously until the side clips snap back into place automatically. You should hear a distinct click on both sides. If it doesn't click, don't force it. Double-check your alignment. Close up the case, plug everything back in, and fire it up. If your PC boots up and feels snappier, you successfully serviced your memory. Like and subscribe for more videos.